Good afternoon everyone, this is your Kuya Danny for La Ilocano News, and right now, adda tayo dito yung Dingras Civic Center for the Resbakuna. So our recipients for today, they have their comorbidities, they get senior citizens, so later on, we'll get to see, no kasano baling nga proseso, deto'y pa nagpabakuna, ito'y Dingras. Okay, good afternoon once again. Adapela ni Kuya Danny to Dingras Civic Center, and right now we have the very gorgeous and beauteous Municipal Health Officer of Dingras in the person of Dr. Rhea. Hi, Doktora. How are you doing?
I'm stressed.
Bakit tayo nai-stress? Wala lang. But of course, in time with the pandemic, we are all stressed out. But this afternoon, we're having our Resbakuna. Right, and our recipients are
healthcare workers, A1 to A2, senior citizens, and 18 to 59 years old with comorbidities. We consider the comorbidities as those with high blood, diabetes, asthma, allergic rhinitis is also considered, kidney diseases, obesity. Those who are obese can also come and take their vaccines.
Okay, so we are really encouraging everyone, naglalo ka digiti Dingreños and Dingreñas, to take part with this activity because it is really needed. It is very important for us to be vaccinated. Alantay man ti kariri na iti Dingreños, mano nga porsyenton iti nabakunaan tayo, Doktora?
Okay. The healthcare workers alone, at that time, around 80%.
80%, yes. Wow!
While senior citizens, at that time, 25%, because we have 5,000 plus senior citizens, but only a few. 20%
pa lang because of the mobility. I know that. Siguro, hanga baka pag na or adayun, masadot ta?
Actually, ipadas mi met, tinapan ijay, syempre, Baresbes, San Marcelino, ijay nga area, napan kami Baresbes. I was expecting 80 recipients from Baresbes and San Marcelino. Unfortunately, only half of them came. Di bagada kanyami, mabuting kami gaputing ijay, mangmangig miti
the fake news nga makikita tayo iti Facebook nga ada kanu matmatay, ada digiti sa bali nga marikrik na the right after dagita ti pasamang iti Dingras.
Yes, isot kabuting da kasi I understand nga adayo talaga isot with the two matibubra and no aduda, like for example San Marcelino, Baresbes, no aduda nga mabakunaan ni as the help of the municipal mayor, and for the ride tayo kasang poster mapani ipasundo-suda, for example ni Barong, syempre ni Barong aglikos da iso nga ipasundo mila tayo di coaster para hada problema tayo transportation.
Yes, Doktora, so we really need to be informed. We really need a real and massive information dissemination.
Actually, the nurses deployed in our area, in information dissemination, that they also do house to house. So, medyo adaman tina-encourage the senior citizens. But, sana, more and more senior citizens. Kasi isulat kung bakit the most vulnerable group.
Yes.
Kasi nung makita tayo, deaths tayo, the Iloco Norte alone, or even the whole Philippines, sino kaniti mostly nga matmatay, diba? Well, senior citizens or those with comorbidities.
Okay. Yes, Doktora. So let us encourage everyone. Aglalo ka tayo nga taga Dingras, na tayo amin apo. This is Doktora Rhea. Mangibagbahada kayo. Please be vaccinated. Go ahead, Doktora.
Ami kumang Dingreños ket ay bak na ag-register kayo no kayat yo ti agpabakuna apo. Uray sino agpabakuna pa-register kayo kadigi sa barangay health workers yo. Tapno da kami iti mga yabto kanya yo no da isuti batang yon to nga agbakunan. Tatta palpalpasen ni lang ti healthcare workers, including the barangay tanod, the barangay health workers, the senior citizens, and those with comorbidities. So I encourage everyone, please, agpalista kayo tapno da tayo amin ma-reach tayo ibong Dingras ti 70%. That's the goal, 70%. of the population will be vaccinated.
And soon to be, I will get vaccinated this week. Kasi taga Dingras ba? Diba? So I'm encouraging my mother to be vaccinated. Kandagiti fellow senior citizens nga kukumadrek. Kuya Danny for La Ilocano News. Dr. Rhea, thank you so much. You are always a breath of fresh air sa aming mga taga Dingras. And see you.